Dear children, welcome to 10th Geography class, Chapter 5 Indian Forest Resources. The main objectives from this lesson are 1. Meaning and importance of forest resources. 2. Types and distribution of forest in India. 3. Conservation of forests. 4. Wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in India. 5. Biosphere Reserves of India. What is forest? A large area of land covered with trees and undergrowth is called forests. It is generally extensive for a large and a commercial value. That's good for sale. It consists of either natural forests or planted vegetation. How can we say forests are very important? Yes, they are very important because 1. They provide industrial raw materials. 2. They provide fodder or food for animals or livestock. 3. They give employment opportunities. 4. They preserve or save the physical features. 5. Soil erosions and floods are controlled. 6. They prevent or avoid desertification. 7. They help to improve soil fertility. 8. They balance the climate. The last 9. They provide shelter to wildlife. Let us study the types of forests. Types of forest depends on some factors. The important factors are climate, soil, and relief, which means surface of the land or location. There are 6 types of forests. 1. The tropical evergreen forests. 2. The tropical deciduous forests. 3. The scrub forest or the bush and grasslands. 4. Desert vegetation. 5. Mountain forests. And the last one, 6th, the mangrove forests. Let us discuss each one in brief. First is the tropical evergreen forest. These forests are found in area where heavy annual rainfall is, exceeding and increasing more than 250 centimeters a year. Evergreen forests are found on the western slopes of the Western Ghats and hills of northeastern state of Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipura, and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Let us know the features of evergreen forests. They have dens and the trees grow to a great height. Here trees and plants do not shed their leaves during the year. At the same time, and therefore they are called as evergreen. Main trees are teak, rosewood, ebony, mahogany, etc. Second type is the tropical deciduous forests. They are found in areas which receive rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeters a year. Main trees are teak, sal, sandalwood, kusum, kanju, myrobalan, mango, neem, tamarind, etc. Deciduous forests are largely found on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats and in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Chota Nagpur Plateau, and foothills of the Himalayas, and also parts of Orissa and West Bengal. They are also called as monsoon forest because they shed their leaves during spring and early summer. Third type is scrub forests and grassland. These are found in areas having 60 to 100 centimeter of rainfall in a year. Here we find short, coarse or a rough grass, thorny trees and bushes. They are found in Kutch and the fringes or edges of the Thar Desert, mainly found in the state of Rajasthan, Punjab, parts of Western Ghats, and the Cardamom Hills. Fourth is desert vegetation. They are found where rainfall is very less. The rainfall between 10 to 50 centimeter in a year. Mainly in Thar deserts, parts of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Deccan Plateau, we find this particular vegetation. Since rainfall is very less, very few types of trees and bushes are found, like jand, khair, kolko, babul, cacti, and kejra. Fifth type is mountain forests. The trees and plants which grow on the slopes of the mountains are called mountain forests. Here plants and trees vary different with increasing altitude. The important trees are oak, chestnut, ash, beech, etc. They are mainly found in the Himalayas and to a small extent in the Nilgiri hills. Sixth type is mangrove forests. These types of forests are found where there is a more wetness, like river deltas and along the sea coast washed by tides. Mainly found in the deltas of rivers on the eastern coast and on the west coast of India. The important trees are rhizophora, canes, screwpipe, palms, sundari trees, etc. The tree trunks are supported by a number of stilt or long supporting roots which are submerged underwater. Let us know the distribution of forest in India. It covers an area of 7.74 lakh square kilometers, but only 23.6% geographical areas. According to National Forest Policy Resolution of 1952, it's supposed to be 33.3% of forest areas in India, and the world's average is 29.5%. But in India, it is too low. Forests in India are not evenly or equally distributed. 60% of the forest in the Himalayas and the Peninsular Hills can be found, and only 20% is in the northern plains, and another 20% is spread all other places. Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest area in India, and Goa has the least. For the economical development, forest is very, very important. But these days it is declining or reducing because of these following reasons. 1. The expansion of agricultural land. 2. Construction of roads. 3. Irrigation projects. 4. Industrialization. 5. Urbanization. 6. Overgrazing. 7. Forest fires. What is conservation of forest? The prevention of destruction, over exploitation of forests, and its management is called conservation of forests. What are the measures taken to conserve or protect forests? You can see the following points. 1. Control of deforestation. 2. Restriction on grazing. 3. Control of forest fires. 4. Prevention or encroachment on forest or avoid of acquiring forest areas. 5. Control of forest insects and diseases. 6. Controlling illegal cutting of trees. 7. Scientific cutting of trees. 8. Legislation to check deforestation. 9. Encourage afforestation. The last 10th one, creating of awareness among the people about the importance of forests. What is wildlife sanctuaries? Is a place which is meant for providing protection to wildlife is called wildlife sanctuaries. In these areas, killing or capturing of any species of animals is prohibited except under orders of the competent authority. Let us know some of the important wildlife sanctuaries in India. There are about 523 wildlife sanctuaries in India. Some of them are Annamalai and Madhumalai in Tamil Nadu, Dandeli, Badra, Talakaveri, BR Hills in Karnataka, Periyar in Kerala, Nagarjuna Sagar in Telangana, Bharatpur and Ranthambore in Rajasthan, Manas in Assam, Jaldapara in West Bengal. What is National Park? An extensive area which is specially protected to preserve its natural beauty, wildlife and forests for public recreation or entertainment and scientific interests is called a national park. In these areas, forestry or cutting of trees, grazing or agricultural activities are not allowed. Yellowstone of USA is the first national park in the world. Jim Corbett National Park which is found in Uttarakhand, is the first national park in India. There are 99 national parks in India. Some of them are Kaziranga in Assam, Sundarbans in West Bengal, Corbett in Uttarakhand, Gir Forest in Gujarat, Kanha in MP, Bandipur, Banerghata and Nagarhole in Karnataka, Sariska in Rajasthan, Dudhwa in UP, Tadhoba in Maharashtra. What is Biosphere Reserve? Biosphere reserves are a special category of protected area of land or coastal environments. Here people must cooperate with the systems. What is the objectives or what are the objectives or aims of biosphere reserves? 1. Conservation. 2. Research. 3. Education. 4. Local involvement. Let us know some of the important biosphere reserves in India. There are 18 biosphere reserves. There are Nilgiri, Nanda Devi, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarbans, Kanchenjunga, Pachamari, etc. Thank you, children. Have a wonderful day. Take care.